Let me show you guys something. I put the sauce on my chicken. I think this is a barbecue chicken. Yeah. See? Okay. Yummy. They look good. They look very good. Yeah. Every time I go camping, I have to cook chicken wings because I feel like now if I don't cook chicken wings, I don't feel like I'm even camping because this is kind of years and years doing that. They used to sell one kind of chicken wings. I forgot the name, but came in like very I don't like it. I like it, but I prefer this part of the chicken wings. I not a lot about this one, just this one. So they sold the one smoking one. I don't know if you guys remember that. The smoking one was a white and a brown box. Was already with sauce, everything. Oh my God, was smoking barbecue chicken wings. Only this kind here, not this one. Oh, I bought them like all the time. But they stopped selling it. I don't know why. Now they have mix both, and they have the sauce in a bag, so you have to put the sauce after. Anyways, just the other one was my favorite. Too bad everything I like it. One lipstick, whatever, they sell, and I enjoy I buy when I dye my hair. If I like one color, and then they stop and make it that kind of color. So it's so hard when you like something and they stopping making them. So yeah, so this is it's okay. That's something that looks good too. Never tried this kind before, but wow, just see. Food is food, and I have no problem eating almost any kind of food. Okay, talk to you later.